Hi everyone, this is Whitney with my video presentation for our Earth Science project. I want to start by apologizing if you can hear the baby in the background. She's refusing to sleep tonight and I need to get this done. So for my project, I'm having issues. There we go. I chose the Umpqua Valley. The Umpqua Valley is located in the northern hemisphere of North America, in the state of Oregon. It is kind of southern and it goes all the way to the coastal range. It is home to the Umpqua River and fertile valley land. It's rich in Native American history, which is part of why I chose it. When I think of nature and relationship to the earth, I think of Native Americans. It is also the area that I grew up in. It is shaped by rivers, mountains, and volcanic history, and it supports farms, vineyards, wildlife, and forests. Plate tectonics and the Umpqua Valley. It is located on the North American plate and it's influenced by the Cascadia subduction zone. There is a mountain range called the Cascade Mountain Range, and that was formed by tectonic activity. There is a risk of earthquakes and volcanic ashfall, and tectonics help to shape the soils and landforms. Rocks and minerals in the Umpqua Valley. It's not known for having a lot of minerals or gems, or sorry, precious minerals or gems. There are parts of like the Umpqua Valley, the rivers specifically, where you will find people panning for gold, but it's not known for having like an abundance of gold. Basalt, sand, and gravel are used in buildings and roads, and silica deposits can be found at Quartz Mountain for the glass and industry. Resources important for the economy and so the resources that come out of the Umpqua Valley are very crucial for supporting its economy and ecosystems. um the economy, especially for construction and road work and all that kind of stuff, and the ecosystems, just if that is not managed and our timber and stuff are not removed, we increase our risk of wildfires and other not so fun events. Vineyards and farming in the Umpqua Valley. Fertile soils formed from volcanic and sedimentary rock. It is the ideal climate for a lot of farming. There are warm summers, wet winters, and pretty mild temperatures, not a lot of insane highs or insane lows. It is called Oregon's birthplace of fine wine, and there are over 30 wineries in the Umpqua Valley. And farming also, in addition to vineyards, includes orchards of apples, filbert nuts, and other things, along with livestock and specialty crops. Geologic time in the Umpqua Valley. So the Umpqua Group bedrock formed during the Eocene epoch, 56 to 34 million years ago. Oh, back. Rocks include mudstone, sandstone, conglomerate, and basalt layers, formed by subduction processes that uplifted the Coast Range. You can really see those layers in the Coast Range, as well as my own observations, as you can see the layers pretty well along the deeper sides of the riverbank as well. Fossils of mollusks and shellfish show a shallow sea once covered the area. Ancient geology created fertile soils that now support vineyards and farms. So again, just really set up to support farming and other agriculture. Earthquakes, landslides, and tsunamis in the Umpqua Valley. The Cascadia subduction zone can produce major earthquakes every 300 to 500 years, with the last event occurring in the 1700s. Heavy rainfall also triggers frequent landslides along Highway 38, which runs through the Umpqua Valley, and a lot of other slopes in the valley as well. Human activities such as logging and road cuts increase the slope instability. And in order to mitigate the risks with this, hazard mapping, tsunami evacuation routes, slope stabilization, and early warning systems are in place for areas with a higher danger. Earthquakes in Douglas County. Douglas County averages about 45 earthquakes per year. Most are below a magnitude 3, which are shown by this line on top here. You can see there are quite frequent earthquakes, and then larger earthquakes above magnitude 3 might occur from time to time. You can see this dark line as well as that red line indicate that dark line or the red line is earthquakes above a magnitude 3. And then much less frequent, you can see earthquakes above a magnitude 4 with this dark black line here. No, don't not occurring super often, but there was one in 2015. At least two earthquakes above a magnitude 6 since 1900. Water in the Umpqua Valley. The Umpqua Valley receives about 33 inches of rainfall each year. The Umpqua River and its tributaries provide water for people, animals, and crops. The river has always been central life for the Native American tribes that live along the Umpqua River, representing life, balance, and connection to the land. Today, water continues to support the local economy through farming, fishing, and recreation. And unfortunately, due to the heavy rainfall, it can cause runoff pollution, carrying bacteria and sediment into rivers. There are areas of the Umpqua Valley that struggle with their drinking water. Climate and resources. There are mild, wet winters and warm, dry summers, and that really shapes the region's forests, farms, and wildlife. Climate change has, however, caused longer dry seasons, which lead to more wildfires and more drought stress. Resources: timber, basalt, sand, gravel, and fertile soils support agriculture and construction. And there are some utilizing renewable energy resources like hydropower and solar. And farming, vineyards, forestry, and ecotourism continue to define the Umpqua Valley's economy and culture. And that is it. Thank you guys so much.